Hello friends, I am Balasaheb Mewdinge, Assistant Teacher of Sri Dhokeshwar Vidyalaya, Takri Dhokeshwar. Mathematics paper first, that is algebra, 10th standard, unit 5th, probability. First, welcome all the students in our 10th class. We know that in previous lecture we have completed 4th chapter. Now today we are going to study this new topic, that is the probability. In probability, let us study introduction, then random experiment and its outcomes, then sample space and event, and lastly in application we have to study probability of an event. Now in introduction, see, we know that in our daily conversation we are always use the words to express the possibility, like probably, probable, maybe, impossible, sure, nearly, 50-50, etc. Also, read the following statements regarding predictions, that is possibilities for the future. Most probably the rain will start from today. The inflation is likely to rise. It is impossible to defeat the Indian cricket team in the next match. I will surely get first class. There is no possibility of polio infection if a child is given the polio vaccine in time. So, these are some words: probably, likely, impossible, surely, possibility. So, observe this picture. The adjoining picture shows a toss before a cricket match. There are two possibilities after tossing a coin. Either get a head or a tail. So, we know that a coin, there are two faces for each coin. First face, that is the head, and the second face, that is the tail. So there are two possibilities, either getting a head or a tail. Now consider the activity. Let each student in the class toss a coin. What will you get? If we get, if we toss a coin with minimum 10 students of the class, see, there are two possibilities for each time. First possibility is either student get a head, that is H, or student get a tail, that is a T. So, if we toss a coin 10 times, then 6 times we get a head and 4 times we get a tail. That is, if we apply this activity with 10 students, then 6 students get head and 4 students get a tail. Consider the second activity. ask each student to toss the same coin twice. What are the possibilities? ती जी कॉइन आहे ती या ठिकाणी 2 वेळेला टॉस केली. टॉस द सेम कॉइन. व्हॉट आर द पॉसिबिलिटीज? काय काय शक्यता या ठिकाणी मिळतील? सो सी हियर, इफ वी टॉस अ कॉइन फर्स्ट टाइम and then again toss that coin second time, we get first time head and second time also head. This is the first possibility. Sometime on the first surface of the coin we get a head, and then on the surface of the second coin we get a tail. This is the second possibility. Third possibility, first we get a tail, then we get a head, and fourth possibility we get tail both time. So these are the 4 possibilities, and if we apply this activity with 10 students, then 2 students get HH, 1 student get HT, 5 students get TH, and 2 students get TT. If we apply this activity, we get another result. Third activity, now throw a die once. What is meant by die? We know that in a subsidy we use this cube, and that cube has 6 surfaces. On the first surface there is a 1 dot, on the second surface 2 dots, third surface 3 dot, and so on. चौथ्या पृष्ठावर 4 डॉट, 5व्या पृष्ठावर 5 डॉट, 6व्या पृष्ठावर 6 डॉट, अशा प्रकारची ही डाय आपण या ठिकाणी पाहिलेली आहे. There are 6 possibilities of getting dots on the upper face. So if we throw a die, there are 6 possibilities of getting dots on the upper face. Sometimes we get 1 dot on the upper face, or we get 2 dots on the upper face, or we get 3 dots on the upper face, or we get 4 dots on the upper face, or we get 5, or we get a 6. So there are 6 possibilities of getting dots on the upper faces. So let us study the definition of a random experiment. Experiments in which all possible results are known in advance, but none of them can be predicted with certainty, and there is an equal possibility for each result, is known as a random experiment. So this is the random experiment. What is meant by random experiment? All possible results are known in advance, but we cannot predict, we cannot say certainty this result gets. So results are known, but we cannot predict it with certainty, and there is an equal possibility for each result, is known as a random experiment. For example, throwing a fair die, random experiment. Tossing a coin, picking a card from a set of cards bearing numbers from 1 to 50, picking a card from a pack of well shuffled प्लेइंग कार्ड्स. फासा फेकणे, टॉस कॉइन टॉस करणे किंवा 1 ते 50 नंबर लिहिलेल्या कार्डातून एक कार्ड काढणे किंवा योग्य रीतीने पिसलेल्या पत्त्यांच्या कॅटमधून एक कार्ड काढणे, अशा प्रकारचे हे जे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स आहेत यांना या ठिकाणी रँडम एक्सपेरिमेंट म्हणतात. यातला प्रत्येक एक्सपेरिमेंट आपण या ठिकाणी अभ्यासणार आहोत. यातले पहिले 1-2 एक्सपेरिमेंट आपण या ठिकाणी अभ्यासलेले आहेत. Next definition, outcome. The result of a random experiment is called an outcome. Result, that is the if we toss a coin, then what we get, either we get head or we get a tail, and that is called outcome. So result of a random experiment is called an outcome. Consider the random experiment throwing a fair die. We know that this is the fair die which has 6 faces, that is the cube. In throwing a fair die, we have 6 possible outcomes. Either we get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Consider the random experiment tossing a coin. We know that coin has 2 faces. On first face there is a head, on second face there is a tail. So in tossing a coin we have 2 possibilities or 2 possible outcomes. Either we get a head or we get a tail. So head denoted by H and tail denoted by T. Next example, drawing a playing card from a pack of well shuffled cards. We know that in a pack of cards there are 52 cards, and if we pick up a card from this pack, there are 52 cards, so 52 possible outcomes. 52 outcomes are possible. Now study about this game. In a pack there are 4 suits. In a pack of playing 52 cards, hearts, diamonds, clubs and spade cards. These are the 4 suits: heart, diamonds, clubs and spade cards. Each suit has 13 cards. That is, there are 13 heart cards, there are 13 diamond cards, 13 club cards and 13 spade cards. Heart and diamonds are red cards. Spades and clubs are black cards. So see the this information with the help of a arrow diagram or tree diagram. There are 52 cards. Out of 52 cards, 26 cards are red cards and 26 cards are black cards. Out of 26 red cards, 13 cards are heart cards and 13 cards are diamond cards. Out of 26 black cards, 13 cards are club cards and 13 cards are spade cards. So these are the 4 suits: heart, diamond, club and spade cards. 13 heart cards, 13 diamond cards, 13 club cards and 13 spade cards. So this is the all cards. These are the all cards of 52 playing cards. First row, that is the club cards. Second row, that is the herd cards. Third row, spade cards, and fourth row, diamond cards. See, these are some pictures of cards. Now see what is meant by herd cards. Herd cards. Symbol on the cards are like a herd, so these cards are called herd cards. Then diamond cards. Symbol on the cards are like a diamond, so these cards are called diamond cards. Club cards. Symbol on the cards are like a flower, so it is called club cards. फुलवर or किलवर मराठीमध्ये फुलवर किंवा किलवर असं म्हणतात. Then spade cards. Symbol on the cards are like a page of पिंपल, पिंपळाच्या पानासारखं या ठिकाणी सिम्बॉल आहे, so it is called spade cards. So these are the four suits. Now consider the definition of face cards. See here, king card, queen card and jack cards are called face cards. चित्रयुक्त पत्ता, मराठीमध्ये आपण याला या ठिकाणी चित्रयुक्त पत्ता म्हणतो. चित्र कोणकोणत्या पत्त्यावर असतं तर राजा, राणी आणि गुलाम. जॅक मीन्स गुलाम. See here, first row, these are the four king cards. Second row, queen cards, and third row, jack cards. These cards are called face cards. In each suit, there is a one king, one queen, and one jack. So in one suit there are 3 face cards. Total 4 suits, so 4 into 3, 12 face cards. See, these are the 4 king cards, 4 queen cards, and 4 jack cards. These 12 cards are the face cards. Last, ace cards. The card bearing number 1 is called ace card, and ace card is denoted by capital A. Note that ace cards are not face cards. So these are the ace cards of 4 suits, and the value of the ace card is the largest value in this game. Now equally likely outcomes. See here, a given number of outcomes are said to be equally likely if none of them is expected to occur in preference to the others. एखादा आउटकम हे दुसऱ्याच्या तुलनेत जास्त वेळा येत नसेल तर अशा आउटकम्सला इक्वली लाइकली आउटकम्स असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इफ वी टॉस अन अनबायस्ड कॉइन, then outcomes head or tail are equally likely to occur. That is 50% head and 50% tail. It is called equally likely outcomes. For example, second, a die having numbers from 1 to 6 on its different faces is thrown. Check the possibility of getting one of the numbers. here all the outcomes are equally likely. So आपण या ठिकाणी थांबणार आहोत विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. थँक्यू, धन्यवाद. आपण या ठिकाणी पॉसिबिलिटी जे प्रोबॅबिलिटीची या ठिकाणी ओळख पाहिली. त्यानंतर आपण एक दोन डेफिनेशन्स पाहिल्या या ठिकाणी, ते म्हणजे रँडम एक्सपेरिमेंट आणि आउटकम्स. तर याच ठिकाणी आपण थांबणार आहोत आज. व्हिडिओ आपणास जर या ठिकाणी आवडला असेल, इफ यू लाईक व्हिडिओ, प्लीज share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.